welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm going to give you a rapid tutorial on how to mask things in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, as you can see, I have two clips already in my timeline here. Now I'm going to create a mask for one of them. We'll do this one right here. So you want to move it above, okay, so both of them are showing. At the moment, the top one is the only one that's going to be showing. But this top one, we're going to make a mask so that some of the frame is coming through, some of it isn't. So we do that by making sure the top one is selected. Head on over to Effect Controls. If you don't have that, Window, Effect Controls, make sure that's ticked. Now, you see you have all of these little drop down menus, but you want to go on Opacity, okay? Let's just put that mini timeline to the beginning. You have these three logos here. They're all going to do masks, but for the sake of this video, let's just use the freehand one. So you want to click on that, and then you literally want to just draw a mask in your video to wherever you want it to be. So for me, I'm just going to choose this lot here. Okay, let's maybe move it just so it's fully covering the frame. And then click out of it. Oh, sorry, we'll click on this one instead. And you can see you've created a mask. Literally that easy to create a mask. What you can do as well, if you kind of want to blend it in more, you have a thing called Mask Feather, which is a little slider, which essentially just means how much it's going to blend in. Let's just put that really high. Then play the video again. There you go. You've created a mask. Literally that easy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.